Lights, camera, action! Where is the flag of the Philippines? Very good enough. Where is the flag of Canada? Very good. Where is the flag of Singapore? Very good. Where is the flag of Brazil? Brazil. Very good. Where is the flag of South Korea? South Korea. Very good. Where is the flag of Japan? Very good, Jury. Where is the flag of Switzerland? Yeah, very good. Where is the flag of the United States of America? Very good, Jury. And lastly, where is the flag of China? Very good, Jury. Congratulations, Jury.